Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super fun doodle art effect on your own photo using Gemini latest tool powered by Nano. This new feature from Google lets you edit and transform your images instantly just by writing a prompt. No complicated software, no extra apps, just pure creativity. First, just open Google Gemini in your browser, or you can also open it through your app and then log in with your Google account. And once you're in, look for the tools sections. Just tap on create image, or you can also access Nano by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the brand new feature that allows you to generate or edit photo instantly. And next, just let's upload the photo that you want to edit by tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And next, it's time to write a magic prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or you can also adjust the details however you like change the doodles details, the colors, or even the outfit. I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then just paste your prompt, and when you're done just tap on generate. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, your photo has completely transformed into a playful doodle world like this. The monster, the confetti, and the stickers, it looks like you step into a cartoon universe. And honestly, it's so cute and so much fun, and it's crazy how fast it works. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to create a doodle art effect using Gemini, powered by Nano. It's super easy, super creative, and definitely eye-catching for your social media posts. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.